Start by learning guitar. Or not. Find a sample with Gunna in the title. Anything should do, it's all the same anyway. Drag the sample into your DAW of choice and turn this knob. Repeat the previous step, except turn the knob the other way. Add a bit of reverb and your Gunna type beat is well on its way to 6 views. For the hi-hats, we'll make a basic 2-step pattern and put more triplet rolls in than we'll ever need. Then we'll pick these ones and make them a bit sadder. Is it even worth mentioning the clap? Add 2 rim shots and put them in quite literally the most predictable spots. Make the 808 follow the melody, but in the first half make it like stop like it's gasping for air, and then in the second half let it breathe normally. Layer some kicks over it. Finish with a bit of automation. And now you should be able to chase some placements.